Wait. Let's set this straight right now. Right here, right now. Because why is people who born in America and have ancestors or parents that is Jamaican or from somewhere else, I'm gonna stick to Jamaica because that's where I'm from, tell people, oh yeah, I'm Jamaican. And I'll go ask, yo, which part of Jamaica you come from? You know, when you turn on the street accent, which part of Jamaica you come from? Oh, my mom is from Kingston. My dad is from St. Mary. Which part you come from? Oh, I was born in America. But, yo, you're American. Stop telling people you're Jamaican. You are American.
What does it really mean to be a Jamaican? Is it where you are born? Or the culture you carry inside you? Today we are breaking down the identity conflict that so many people across the diaspora face. From UK to Canada to the United States. Because right now we are seeing something surprising. People who were not born in Jamaica proudly claiming it, while some who were born there feel unsure, afraid, or disconnected. So, why does everyone suddenly want to be Jamaican? Let's talk about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps the conversation going.
I want to jump into this whole conversation about the inclusiveness of the Jamaican culture when it comes to American-born individuals. My experience, I'm first-generation American born to Jamaican parents, and growing up, it was always very clear that I am not Jamaican. Like, I am American. Matter of fact, the term used by many of my cousins, specifically the ones that were born in Jamaica, was, "You are a Yankee." like literally intercultural bullying. If that's not a term that is coined, I am coining it officially in this video. It creates a complex in us first, second generation Americans, right? You don't feel like you belong anywhere. So you're almost like afraid to claim the culture you were raised in another country, because as a whole, you don't meet the standards. You don't have the mark on your arm. Your passport is a different color. All these different things. You weren't born there. You didn't go to school there. You didn't, like, you just don't have any ties there other than the fact that your parents are from there. It's almost like intercultural bullying. Feeling ashamed about being born in America, because I'm not ashamed about where I was born. God orchestrated it that way for a particular reason. Is the fact that what people are not understanding, and this is going based off of my personal experience from what I shared throughout my life to other people, but also to people who have commented in various videos about the same debate, is the fact that you make people feel excluded, like, which is ironic considering everything that the Jamaican culture historically represented. I mean, for God's sakes, the motto is, out of many, one people.
Attention all yardies. We have a Jamaican crisis in foreign. Not so much in Jamaica. I went downstairs, check your letterbox. Who the fuck tell me to go do that? I run into a friend of mine downstairs. Nice lady. She was introducing me to somebody else. Just introduce me as Chadwick, Mr. Chin, idiot, whatever you want to call me. Do not introduce me and say, oh, by the way, he's Jamaican. It opened up a can of worms. And it happened all the time. Me know so she don't mean any harm. When she say, this is my friend Chad. Oh, he lives upstairs. And he's Jamaican. What do you think the woman say? Really? You don't look Jamaican. You know much right the time I have to go through this, yeah? Me I wonder, say, do I have to walk around with me yardy flag, put it on, wear a Jamaican shirt? What am I doing wrong? I just not looking Jamaican to anybody. I need to look Jamaican somehow, and I just seem to feel that taste. Wait, my idea. See if you can take him a kerchief. Me look Jamaican now? No. Me look Jamaican now? Like, what the fuck? How is a Jamaican supposed to look? Me sound like a yardie, me behave like a yardie, me do things like a yardie. How me supposed to look Jamaican?
The people them who born America, but not born by Jamaican parents. So stop right as a phone if you did this. The people them who born America, Una have Jamaican parents, una stop yourself. Uno video this. I have one thing for tell you. Uno is not Jamaican. Okay? Stop saying una Jamaican. Uno is not Jamaican. Uno born by Jamaican parents, but Uno is not Jamaican. Because if I ask Uno which part of Jamaica Uno know, Uno go say Kingston and Montego Bay. Uno know no way. Uno know about trees. Uno know about down a town. Uno know Pavilion Mall. Uno know about Portmore Mall. Uno know no dog. Uno know about the bad coaster them we used to ride on winter we go to school, the metro them. Uno know about the 82 bus them run from Crossroad to Waterhouse. Uno know nothing, bro. Uno know about Dr. Bird. Uno know about Limelight. Uno know about Waterworld. Uno know about them little party spot there and them little party there, bro. Uno know. Uno don't know nothing, dog. You guys are not Jamaican. Uno know about Black Cherry Sweet. Uno know about Chichi Boom. Uno know about Clappers War. Uno know about Bag Juice. Uno know about Suck Suck. Uno know about Aki War, Mango War. Uno know, dog. We can literally carry on, go downtown or carry on half a tree and run left uno and on the last uno can't reach back on the Airbnb. Uno not Jamaican. Dog, go to stop so that Jamaica. We don't love it, I don't love it culture, but you guys are not Jamaicans. You guys are Americans born by Jamaican parents, okay? Stop saying that Jamaican.
Jamaican people don't accept you if you wasn't born in Jamaica. So what? I've had a lot of comments on a couple of my videos where people are speaking of this issue that they feel when they come to Jamaica, where people in Jamaica or a few individuals in Jamaica don't accept them. I might call them foreigner, I said them an English boy or English girl and all them sort of something there. To the degree that they're using it as a reason and a cause for them not feeling like they can be in Jamaica or that they would want to live in Jamaica, or it has an issue on their overall identity or whatever the case may be. This has never actually been something that I've ever suffered with. Absolutely, you hear the people them talk about say, and Jamaica you come from, or the things that they might come up with, but that's their view. And I think it's exactly that. It belongs to them. It doesn't belong to you. What does belong to you is your identity. And if your identity is that you are a British Jamaican or a Jamaican British person, then you are exactly that. That is what you own. Somebody else's perception of your identity is exactly that, their perception. But their perception doesn't define your identity. And it would be true to also say that you are not Jamaican. You coming with something different. You cannot be born overseas and grow up overseas and be influenced with the hybridity of that culture and wider Caribbean black culture and the English people and all of these things fused together, and not expect to be like the man where I walk up and down barefoot in a Clarendon. Obviously there is going to be a difference in you and your character and who you are as your identity, but that is okay. If you are a Jamaican British person or a British Jamaican person, that is who you are.
No matter where you go in the world, New York, London, Toronto, even Asia, Jamaican culture is everywhere. The music, the accent, the food, the confidence, the energy. People love it. They imitate it. They claim it. And honestly, Jamaica influences global culture in a way most small countries never could. So for many people, being connected to Jamaican feels like being connected to a powerful identity. Something bold, proud, and respected. That's why people who weren't born there still embrace it. They don't see Jamaica as just a place. It's a vibe. But on the other side, you have people who were born in Jamaica, yet they feel afraid or hesitant to claim their identity. Why? A few reasons come up again and again. And one of those reasons is negative stereotypes abroad. Some Jamaicans worry people will judge them based on the violence narrative or media headlines. Another thing is losing the accent after migration. They feel like people will say, you now sound Jamaican again. And another thing is fear of not being authentic enough. Some Jamaicans abroad feel like their experience isn't Jamaican enough. anymore, especially if they left young. And lastly, the pressure from other Caribbean people. Some Jamaicans face tension from others who say they are doing too much or being extra. So they pull back, they hide their identity, they downplay where they come from. Then we have people who aren't born in Jamaica at all, but they grew up in a Jamaican household. Their parents or grandparents are Jamaicans. Their community is Jamaican, or they simply feel deeply connected to the culture. For them, Jamaica is not a birthplace, it's a lifestyle. They understand the jokes, they eat the food, they know the music, they respect the culture, they feel at home in it. And let's be honest, Jamaican culture is magnetic. The world loves it for a reason. Here is the real conversation. Who decides who is Jamaican enough? Is it the passport? Is it the accent? Is it the birthplace? Is it the roots? Is it the lifestyle? Or is it the heart? Identity is complicated, especially in the diaspora. Some people hide their heritage. Some claim it loudly. Some are still figuring it out, and social media makes it worse because everyone has an opinion about who gets to claim that. Being Jamaican is more than a paperwork, more than a occasion, more than patois, more than stereotype. It's about strength, resilience, humor, culture, confidence, love of the island, pride in your roots. Whether you were born on the island or raised in a Jamaican household abroad, whether you speak patois or you are still learning, whether you left young or never visited, your identity is valid. Jamaica is a culture, a spirit, a legacy, and that can live in anyone who feels it sincerely. So tell me in the comments, were you born in Jamaica? Do you claim the culture? Or do you feel stuck between identities? Let's talk honestly. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more conversations like this. Bless up and big respect to all Jamaicans, island born and diaspora born.